is a prime location and well-connected locality due to proximity to Delhi and Noida. Very less new launches can be seen in Indirapuram due to scarcity of land. But one project is launched in Indirapuram. Let's go and explore that project. Hi, I'm Shilpi Tudeja. Welcome to our segment where we review the project. Currently, I'm in Indirapuram. If you are looking for luxurious project with ultra luxury amenities, then Apex D Rio project is under construction just for you. I will take you inside the project. We will check developer's background, brief you about the location USP, specifications of the project, price analysis and competing projects in the locality. Let's first evaluate the location of this project. D Rio by Apex Group is under construction in Ahimsa Khand 2, Indirapuram. Indirapuram is divided into various khands: Vaibhav Khand, Abhay Khand, Ahimsa Khand, Nyay Khand, Gyan Khand, Niti Khand and Shakti Khand. Apart from this, nearby localities are Vaishali, Koshambi, Vasundhara, Siddharth Vihar and Mohan Nagar. The project is situated at CISF Road, which is just 400 meters from this project. Elevated road and 14-lane NH9 expressway makes this project well connected with other parts of NCR. Malls, schools, hospitals, offices are in the vicinity area. In Indirapuram, malls like Shipra Mall, Jaipuria, Aditya Mall are within the locality. Apex Developer is a leading player among the real estate developers. Builder is known for on-time deliveries. Builder has already successfully delivered more than 25 projects. Now Builder is focusing on this luxurious project. Founded 28 years ago in the National Capital Region, the company's project speciality includes apartments of various sizes, row houses, luxury and super luxury apartments, villas, farmhouses and duplex. Completed projects are Apex Athena, Apex The Florus, Apex Asia Valley. Ongoing projects are the Kremlin and D Rio. D Rio project is registered under RERA. Configurations are 2 and 3 BHK apartments and newly launched penthouses. In this project, some flats are launched in August 2021. Possession of Phase 1 is expected in July 2025. In Apex D Rio project, you can see construction is in full swing here. Bang opposite, there is a Delhi Public School of Indirapuram. This locality enjoys other location advantage also. Delhi Meerut Expressway and NH9 14-lane expressway is just 700 meters. Noida Metro Station is 5 km, Vaishali Metro Station is 6 km, Ghaziabad Railway Station is 5 km, JKJ International School Indirapuram is 1 km, Sparsh Hospital and Trauma Center is 1.5 km, Jaipuria Institute of Management is 1 km. Major hospitals like Max and Fortis are within the radius of 5 km. This is a luxurious lobby which is very jazzy also. Builder is giving you vertical garden in the all lobbies. You can see this. Here will be vertical garden. In all the towers, the sitting arrangement in the lobby will be like this. There will be a 34 feet height in every lobby, which is very rare. You can see Italian marble builder is giving in all the lobbies and restricted entry for outsiders. Let me simplify this project. This is the miniature model of Apex D Rio project. This is an entry point from where all the cars will go down directly to the basement. There are 800 parkings for 300 flats. You can see this.
From the entry gate you can see there is a temple, and then when you will walk from here you can see this is a playing area for kids. Builder is developing all the greenery, green belt. Once you walk from this side, there is a one interesting thing. There will be no car here. You can see this. This is all walking track, jogging tracks are there, and then there is a sitting arrangement. You can see here is a open deck. This is a tennis court, badminton court, open amphitheater, and then there is a open gym also. So this is a commercial area of this project. You can check this. Now let me explain you about the specifications of the project. On around 4 acres land you can see there are 3 towers, and this is a 3 BHK tower which is R number tower, and you can see this is O tower which is 4 BHK, and that is iconic tower which has largest apartments.
3 and 4 BHK apartment will be available in the complex. Super area of 3 BHK apartment is in the range of 2200 to 2500 square feet, and 4 BHK apartment is in the range of 3100 to 3700 square feet. In R tower, there are 4 flats per floor and 4 lifts are there. In O tower, there are 3 flats per floor and 3 lifts. In I tower, 2 flats per floor and 3 lifts are there. 2 lifts are there for just club. Club is on 33rd and 34th floor.
So you can see this is the iconic tower. You can check this out. This is a 38 floor building. You can see all the luxurious apartments on this floor. All the apartments of iconic tower have double height balconies. You can check this. You can see all the apartments are park facing, amphitheater facing. I will tell you about the skywalk. All the iconic tower residents can come from that and enjoy the luxurious amenities in the club. Now I will show you luxurious club of this project. Here you can see there will be a terrace. A builder is developing terrace garden here. There you can see there is an infinity pool, and water level will be maintained on the basis of weather. There is a gym again. There was one open gym on downstairs and one gym is here. You can see this. Here builder is giving sitting arrangement and playing area for games, and all the luxurious amenities will be there.
Project specifications are terrace club, double height balcony, skywalk, infinity swimming pool, VRB air conditioners, double height drawing rooms, tower drop off, commercial plazas, amphitheater with surprise fountains, elderly sitting courts. In nearby area in this locality, prices are between 5,000 to 6,000 rupees per square feet. In Apex D Rio newly launched phases, property is available at 7,500 rupees to 8,000 rupees per square feet. Builder is offering different payment plans. Home loan is easily available with the nationalized banks. And to know about the latest property prices and availability of the properties, you can visit to magicbricks.com.
So when I compare this project, then within 2 km of radius, there is a project named as Saya S-Class and Saya Gold Avenue. Let's see the comparison.
So when I compare Apex D Rio project with Saya S-Class and Saya Gold Avenue, then roads are wider here. There is a mall in front of under construction Saya S-Class, so traffic is an issue on this roundabout. Saya Gold Avenue is a ready-to-move-in project and inventory is very less here, so one has to buy a resale property only. We find that the Apex D Rio project is located closer to the core areas of Ghaziabad, Siddharth Vihar and Noida also.
Within the project, many lifestyle amenities can be easily seen here, but outside the project, still now many challenges are being faced by the residents of this locality.
If we talk about the challenges nearby this locality, old and broken roads, inadequate sewage and drainage system, road expansion is needed for the future also. Lack of metro connectivity is a major issue. Regular water and electricity supply is also required in this area. Apart from this, public transport is not very strong in this area.
If Indirapuram is your destination, then Apex D Rio project is best option for you. Seamless connectivity and luxurious amenities can really change your lifestyle. So you can enjoy the developed infrastructure of Indirapuram as well. I am Shilpi Dudeja signing off. Thanks for watching MBTV.